Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the system and confirming no live voltage. Safety matters. Once the breaker is off, remove the thermostat cover or control panel bezel using a small screwdriver, keeping screws in a labeled container so you don't mix them up. If clips resist, gently pry at the designated notch to avoid cracking plastic. Make sure to note connector orientation and take a phone photo for reference, because this visual will speed correct reassembly when you replace the battery. You now work on the core swap. Locate the coin cell holder and verify polarity using your photo or markings on the board. Once identified, use a plastic spudger or fingertip to lift the old cell out gently. Avoid metal tools that could short nearby traces. After removing, test your replacement with a multimeter. It should read about 0 volts for a CR2032. Insert the new cell with the correct side up, ensuring it seats flush, and the retention clip snaps over it securely. You finish by reassembling the panel in the reverse order. Align the bezel, press clips gently until they click, and reinstall screws. Once done, restore breaker power and turn the thermostat on. Watch for the display, correct time, and normal status indicators. If the unit fails to power or shows errors, make sure the battery is fully seated and polarity correct, then try a second tested battery. If problems persist, check connector pins for corrosion and consider consulting a technician for board-level faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.